You allow your students to download your course videos that are hosted on Tekmatix? Well, the answer to that is you have the power and the freedom to choose. So inside your courses area in your Tekmatix account, when you click on the courses menu item, scroll down to settings, and this will take you to the settings area of your course section. Click on site details, and this is where you will actually manage your course portal area, part of it, FYI, because we also have the client portal. But this is in reference to your courses section. You've got everything from the sort of site name and subdomain of your courses area, the branding and logo related to your courses area. But down at the very bottom of this settings section is the builder settings, which will show whether or not you want your students to have the ability to download your course videos. Now, by default, this is actually set to off. So all of your courses will have this off by default, ensuring that your IP and your videos are as protected as they can be. Let me put a big inverted commas around that. This is the internet. If a hacker wants to do something untoward, there's nothing we can do to control the behaviors of external people. But by having this off as far as is reasonably and practically possible, your videos should not be able to be downloaded. If you turn this on and press save, your students will have the option to download your course videos. So that's entirely up to you whether you turn it off or on. Just make sure you press save each time you change that setting. Now, within your actual courses area itself, as in the builder where you've put your lessons and your videos, you also have the option to control whether people can download files from your course. So if I'm going to take you into a lesson here in this demonstration example, the video will show up here when you upload it. And of course, that will only be downloadable if you've turned downloads on. Over here on the right-hand side, you have attach files. This will allow you to have any files at all that your student will be able to download. So just to let you know, by default, everyone can download any files that you set to attached files. So that is how you enable or disable video downloading in your Tekmatix courses. Happy teching!